Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
Up early. Not because you have to be, but because you want to be. There are so many places you've always wanted to see, and there is not a moment to lose. The 2020 Vegas from Thor Motor Coach, for a lifetime of adventure. Since this is a recreational utility vehicle, it needs to have the power and the personality to take you everywhere in comfort and style, and have the durability to outlast every excursion you have planned. As for the power, you get plenty from the Ford E-Series 6.8-liter Triton V10 with 305 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough for the 8,000-pound hitch. With the MORride True Flat Floor Foundation, a solid one-piece TPO roof, and one-piece fiberglass front cap, the durability comes from the way the Vegas is built, from top to bottom. When you're in the driver's seat, you have all the tools you need for a great trip at your fingertips. The center stack features your touchscreen dash radio with navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls or music, and it doubles as the monitor for your side view and backup cameras. Underneath, switches for your generator, nightshade, and lighting. Below, you have USB charging ports and the perfect cubby to store your phone while you drive. Passengers will welcome the flip-out workstation with 110 and 12-volt outlets. Now, no one said you have to work here, as it is perfect for sitting, relaxing, and having a snack. Those same seats do more than give you all-day driving comfort. They also swivel and give you and your guests all-day living comfort. So let's take a look around where you will call home during your Vegas vacation. All the amenities you need are thoughtfully arranged so you have the space you need to sit, cook, relax, entertain, and sleep. Think of the Dream Dinette as the ultimate multi-purpose tool. Seat 4 here comfortably when the dinner bell rings, and sleep here comfortably until the morning alarm rings. The sofa with pedestal table also pulls double duty. It sets up for meals or work in seconds, and stores away when you need to make the sofa into a bed. You'll find a few different kitchen layouts depending on your floor plan. They all offer you the same great cooking experience. Enough counter space is a must-have in any kitchen. The Vegas gives you options. You have the flip-up extension and cover for your large single-bowl stainless steel sink. Cooking can be done on the 2-burner gas cooktop with glass cover or in the convection microwave. In the bedroom, the Vegas offers you a twin-to-king conversion or this flip-up queen-size bed with reversible mattress, offering you a firm side and a soft side. In the morning, lift the bed up and you have cushioned seating underneath. Now you have more space when you get ready after you grab an outfit from the closet. The bedroom also has this great USB charging station and a TV. Have you met Rapid Camp Plus? This is your all-in-one control center. Monitor your power and tank levels. Set your auto-gen start. Turn on lights. Control your climate, open vents and fans. If your Vegas has electric stabilizers, you can extend or retract them from the full-color touchscreen or your phone or tablet when you download the app. Staying connected when you're away has never been easier. With the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot, you get safe, secure web browsing, whether you're streaming a movie or updating all your favorite social media sites with photos from your best trip yet. The Vegas is always up for overnight guests, as every floor plan offers up a comfortable drop-down overhead bunk, and the Euro-style cabinets ensures everyone has a spot for all their belongings. The bathroom in the Vegas has all the features you need when you're on the road. Keep your towels hung up and dry. You have a shower with skylight, sink, and medicine cabinets. So picture this. It's a beautiful day. You head outside to grab some sunshine and a cold drink. Yep, this is the spot. If the sun gets a little too bright, simply put out the power patio. Since you have the Rapid Camp Plus app on your phone, you don't even have to stand up. The Vegas is also prepped for solar. With the exterior TV, you can catch the big game and grill up some favorites. This is way better than being at the ballpark. The Vegas features large illuminated storage bays, so you know you have room to bring along what you need to guarantee a great time when you finally see every place you want to see. This is the 2020 Vegas from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Vegas floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?